Respected President, the gradual deterioration of indigenous society in Tripura, Northeast India, after forcible annex with India on 15 October 1949. President, as a result of the forcible merger of the princely state into Indian Union, thousands of Tripuris become jobless. The administrative machineries of independent Tripura was taken over by the imperialist India. On the other hand, the government of India encouraged the infiltration and settlement of illegal immigrants in Tripura. They were given employment opportunities, business facilities, including political power. In 1974, illegal immigrant-led government de-reserved all the cultivable fertile land of Tripuris in favor of illegal immigrant, in spite of strong resistance by the indigenous people. The illegal settler in turn set ablaze all historical evidence, document, administrative record of Tripura kingdom. Thereafter, they imposed alien culture, language, religion and political domination with the help of Indian army. The illegal immigrant population rapidly grew in Tripura state, and with the passage of time, the local Tripuris became minority in their own homeland. Historical document heritage has been destroyed by the immigrant, and the alien culture has been forcefully imposed to the indigenous people of Tripura. Illegal immigrant, with the aid and advice of government officials, took full advantage of the biased administration, which was already under the control of illegal immigrant. Illegal immigrant got job, ration card, voter card, land registration very easily under the successive government. My organization requests this August Council to impress upon Government of India to give their economic social justice, including political power, to decide their own destiny under the Constitution of India, Article 2 and 3. Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you very much.
Respected President, Durban Declaration discourages all forms of intolerance, discrimination and xenophobia. My organization also believes in equal human rights for all and condemn all types of unequal treatment. Mr. President, this phenomena is more prominent in India, whereas the caste-based society is dominant. The northeast part of India, especially Tripura, is facing continuous discrimination. Tripura people felt that they are not Indian citizens because they are denied basic human rights and become frequent victims of xenophobia from all caste society. Tripura people are sick and tired of due to inequitable distribution of all resources and all forms of discrimination. Now Tripura people are peacefully demanding separate state based on scheduled area of Tripura under Article 2 and 3 of Indian Constitution. That's because after merger with Indian Union, for the last 68 years, indigenous people were denied of political right in their native land. They are absent of government decision-making process. Mr. President, I appeal Human Rights Council to take the matter seriously from further intolerance and social discrimination by the Government of India. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.